duck named Dippy, yoo-hoo. He wiggled his feet, he flapped his wings. Happy little Dippy loves splashy things. Splash, splash, jump, jump, play. Splash, splash, all the day. Water goes up, water comes down.
Listen
Dippy
closely,
the duck
my dear
is the
Dippy.
happiest
The
in
pond
town.
is so peaceful today.
Mama duck smiled from the pond side.
Play is fun, but rest is right.
Dippy laughed with a quack quack sound.
I love splashing all around.
Splash, splash, jump, jump, play. Splash, splash,
Hip, hip,
hooray. Sunshine bright and water clear. Happy duck friends are gathered here. Benny the frog goes hop, hop, hop. Lulu the turtle goes stop, stop, stop. Mimi the fish swims, swish, swish, swim. All the friends sing and laugh with him. Splash and jiggle, laugh and sing. Fun feels light like a feathery wing. Round and round the pond they go,
Listen closely,
under
my
the
dear.
sun's warm golden glow. Soon little Dippy felt sleepy and slow.
heavy wings and eyes hung low.
Mama duck said, soft and kind,
Clean up now, rest your mind.
wash, wash, feathers bright. Shake, shake, all just right. On the grass, warm and dry. Dippy yawns with a sleepy sigh. I love my friends, my pond so blue, and splashy dreams I'm going to. Eyes closed tight, stars peep through. Good night, sweet Dippy, quack, quack, too.